Hello everyone, welcome to class 1 of Python programming. We'll do something about numbers today. This should be the first statement. We are printing something. Hello world. So if you click here, you'll get the printout. It's not that you need to write a double quote every time. You can do with a single quote as well. If you're writing a string, if you want to print, you have to write a single quote or double quote for the whole sentence you are writing. Even you can write a paragraph here. You write the paragraph within quotes. One thing you need to remember, if you have something like this, hello, please don't do that or don't go. If I write a quote here, then it might create a problem. There is an error. What you need to do is, if you have written double quote, single quote here, you need to write a double quote here. You run it, you'll get this one. That's the only thing you need to remember. Now, if you want to write a number here, you just write the number, you will get the printout. That's all. Now, let's start the class. This is my assignment statement. So if I write this, 10 will be stored and 10 will be stored in some memory location. And there is a tag. The name is A here, identifier you can say. This is a number. There are three types of numbers I'll discuss today. So we can write a, let me bring one cell here. I'll take it up. I'll write a hash and let me write numbers. Go to markdown, run it. So this becomes our headline. So we started class 1 of Python programming. Here I printed hello world. Then I've defined a number. This is the assignment statement. I want to store 10 in variable A. Then if I want to print, I can print it. See, you get the the printout here. Along with that, I would like to print the ID also. ID. It's just familiarity. You need to know because this is syntax. Whatever way it's developed, ID of a, type of a. So all you need to know. Print a, print ID of a, print type of a. Print a means it will print the number. When you write print ID of a, it will print the ID. This is the ID. So you can say this is the address, the location, house number, whatever you want at this point in time. Type of a. Type of a means the number 10. What is the type of 10? If I write it 10.2, I write something else here. I can write a string here. So now A is pointing towards 10. Okay. And A is 10. ID is given. This is also important. We'll discuss more about this later. Type of A. This is type integer. Now I'll write A50 suppose, B10. Then I want to print A plus B. I want to find A plus B using Python programming. So I'm writing a new variable. I'm assigning a plus b here. So whatever is the value of a plus b, that will be stored in C. Print C. So simple, right? So if a is equal to 50, b is equal to 10, and you want to know the sum of two numbers a and b, you just write C is equal to a plus b, and you get print out. Now here three assignment statements are there. We assign two numbers to two variables, and that value, the sum of the two numbers, that is stored in C, you can say, and print. So addition is over. Now we'll do subtraction. Just replace it by minus. A, B you need not write every time because we have already defined here in this cell, that will be available here. However, to do things properly, independently in this cell, I've written. So two numbers are there. I want to subtract 10 from 50. I got 40 here. Not only that, I can multiply two numbers. 50 into 10. Okay. So if you multiply 50 and 10, 50 multiplied by 10, that will give you 500. Then we'll do the division work. You write division here. If you divide, then you will get 5, right? But if I make it 51 here or 52 here, what will happen is I will get a number, float number. We have a decimal point here. But you don't want to get the decimal, you want integer division, then also you can do. The remainder also we can collect separately. We have to write double slash here. So if you divide this way, you will get 5. You will not get 5 point. Even if you write 52 here, you will get 5. It will give you the integer division. Okay, value 5, 10 into 5, 50. The remainder, if you want to know, you will get the remainder as well. For remainder, we have a sign. You will see we use it in Python programming. Remember this division sign, this will give you the remainder. If I've written 51 here, you'll get 1. See, here I got 5, the integer part, and here I got the remainder. You write 52, the remainder is 2. When you divide 52 by 10, 50 anyway you get here, 10 into 5, 50, and the remainder you get here. 2 is the remainder here. It's so easy, right? Even you can find the power. Suppose I want to find the power, 5 power 4. For power, we write double star here in Python. If you want, you can change it. Otherwise, it's fine. 625. If you are new to programming, remember, if I write A52, then I will change A here. The latest value will be stored. Suppose if I've taken C here 5 and C here 2. If you print C, see, we didn't do anything about C here, A, B, E. So if you print C here, the latest value of C will be printed. If you want to do it separately, it will be like this. Let me write another variable, T. T is equal to 40. You print T. Then when you write T is equal to 50, 9, then you print T, then the latest value you will get. So now if you print here, T is 59. This is no more there. There is a very important concept in Python called immutability. We'll discuss that separately, not here. This is the first class of Python programming. We'll do more in the subsequent classes. We'll have 150 to 200 videos, and you continue watching. If you are able to understand, you are new to coding, or maybe you want to learn Python programming, Please follow us, subscribe us. Class is over for today. Thank you.